Today we'll show you how to install a Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch, part number 75579. This hitch application fits the following makes and models. For today's installation, we have a 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. Before beginning, be sure to familiarize yourself with all parts included in the instructions. For this installation, we will be using the following tools. We also recommend wearing safety equipment. Before beginning the installation, you'll need to lower the exhaust. To do this, first fasten a hanger strap under the vehicle to act as a support. Then, remove the bolt that attaches the rearmost hanger bracket to the passenger side frame rail and set it aside. Then use your ratchet to remove the bolt closest to the front of the car on the passenger side frame rail and lower your exhaust down onto the hanger strap. Next, snap the plastic loom in place over the air conditioning line near the bolt you just removed. Once that's done, use your ratchet to remove the other bolt located closer to the bumper on the passenger side. As well as the 3 existing bolts from the frame rail on the driver's side. Set all of those bolts aside. You will need them when you install the hitch. Now, you can install the hitch. To do this, raise the hitch into position, which is easier with the second set of hands. Make sure to align the holes in the hitch with the holes in the frame rail. Loosely fasten the hitch into the weld nuts using the M10 bolts, M12 bolts, and washers you previously removed. After all the hardware has been secured, use a torque wrench to torque all the M10 bolts to 53 foot-pounds and all the M12 bolts to 92 foot-pounds. Then, raise the exhaust back into position. Reinstall the bolts you removed at the beginning of the installation and remove the hanger strap. And you're done. This concludes the installation for a Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch on this 2015 Chrysler Town & Country, part number 75579. For more information on this and other great Draw-Tite products, visit draw-tite.com.